Jim here again. Let's find and test a strategy in Cryptohopper. We'll do some backtesting, shall we? And see if that strategy would work well over the last 1 month or so, okay? So here I am inside of my paper trading bot, which is fake money bot. It's a simulator, okay? And since my video yesterday, which is less than 24 hours ago, it's only about 15 hours, it's gone up from 1.06% to 1.9% in the time since I published the last video. So it has improved, and that is because Bitcoin has been on a bit of a run right up to 57k from around 53k. So that's pretty good. Let me just show you the results page for that. Got some nice profits in there. 3 big ones there, look. Working nicely. Not as nicely as my secret sauce, but still pretty good. It's okay. Alright, so what do I need to do to set up a new strategy? But first I'm going to go to backtesting. I'm going to backtest a strategy from the marketplace. What I need to do, actually, first I do need to go to the marketplace and I need to look at the strategies. Alright, so we need to find a strategy that is free. I'm not going to test out paid strategies. It would cost me a fortune to test them all, guys. I am sure you'll understand. Look at that one there. That one down there is $199. I ain't paying that just to test a strategy for a few hours, you know. Alright, so I've already seen a likely strategy, long-term swing trading using the EMA crossovers. Let's have a look at that one, shall we? So we'll take a quick look, and the option sell based on strategy is recommended. As with all our free strategies, we have left the config open so you can tweak it however you like. Reviews, let's have a look. I don't like it when you get these anonymous reviews. However, still going to backtest it. Download it here. Alright, auto update, make sure that's on. Alright, now let's go back to the bot. And then let's go to the backtesting tab up here. And let's choose the strategy here. So EMA crossover long-term swing trading. Alright, and then we go load existing. Well, that's wrong actually, because okay, I want to change this. I want that. See if we can get 10%. Sorry, that's wrong. 1.5 in there and 10% in there. Alright, so since it's long-term swing trading, we should expect at least 10%, right? Let's take profit at 25. If it goes to 25% total profit without the trailing stop loss activating, it can theoretically go all the way up to 25% and then sell. Alright. Trailing stop loss only, no. Alright, so I want to select the period as well. I want to select maybe all of January. From there to there. So have I got 30 days selected there? Yeah. Apply. So that's a month. Let's see if that does well. Now I'll pause the video recording because this takes 3 or 4 minutes to test. The longer the period of time you're backtesting, obviously the longer it takes to backtest it. I'll just start it off for you to see, so you guys can see what it's doing there. So it's looking for buys and sells, and it's going through. Once it finds its first buy, you see it's a bit of a downtrend in January, isn't it? And it's testing Cardano. Alright, so it's already bought some. Has it sold any yet? Not yet. Alright, I'll pause now, wait for this to get all the way across there, and I'll restart the recording. Saves you guys a bit of time. Well guys, that's not very good, is it? Look at that. It's only had 2 trades, which are there, 8.34% each. And they happened around here, I think. Here and here. Not good at all. Not good at all. Let's choose another coin and rerun it. Algo. Alright. Again, I will pause the video and start the backtest. Okay guys, that one's finished, and look at that one. Terrible. Absolutely terrible. Why do you think it's terrible, guys? You know what I think? I think we're arming the trailing stop loss too early. Shall we try it with a lower arming point? Alright, let's try 4. Alright. And start the backtest again. And that one too is just finished. Not good. It's done 19 trades, and as you can see there, down here, it's only been getting to 1 point something to 2 point something % in profits. I don't like it. So what do? It's probably the coin, it's probably the backtesting period, it's probably something like that. However, let's go find another strategy. Click on Marketplace, Strategies. Alright, shall we look for a scalping strategy? Let's have a look for scalping. Let's see if we can we search? Yeah. Scalping strategy. It's got to be free. Alright, let's find something that is free. We don't want, we don't want templates, we don't want signals, we don't want copy bots, we don't want ops, we don't want package deals. Search again. Right, okay, I'm looking for something scalp. Scalping there. I only got 2 there. Crypto set scalp master. Which one looks best? That's got 2 reviews with 5 stars. That's got 19 reviews with 3 stars. So I trust this one more than this one. Let's have a look at this one. Download. Auto update, yes. Okay, good for 4 hour. Good trend strategy. Alright, so let's read about it. Strategy uses parabolic SAR and the ADX as a filter for the parabolic SAR. This strategy will open up positions constantly. Therefore, setting up only 1 position per coin in base config, it's important. I always do that anyway. It is also important to set up a cooldown period of 25 to 50 minutes, since this is a scalping strategy. As a strategy does not have selling indicators, sell settings are a must. Recommended sell settings include take profit, stop loss 1%. So we're going to try one with a stop loss. 1.5% activate trailing stop loss with a 1% drop. Alright, let's remember these things here. Let's open a new tab so I can refer back to this. Alright, backtesting. Choose the strategy. Where is it? There it is. Alright, this time just going to go for the last 3 weeks. Alright. Now, obviously the last 3 weeks have been more bullish than the whole of January. So it is going to do better just based on that. Alright. Take profit, what was it? 5%. Let's have a look. Stop loss. I'm going to set a stop loss. 1%. Trailing stop loss. The trailing stop loss, what was it? 1.5 with a 1% drop. There's quite a lot of wiggle room there. Alright, so everything's set. Yeah. So that's our sell settings there. Done. Let's test it for the last 3 weeks, which is the default. Alright. Yeah, look at that. More bullish, like I said. Remember January, it was all like down, down, down. So this should do a lot better. And this is what I mean about strategies, guys. Some strategies will do awesome in a bull market, and any strategy will do really badly in a bear market. So if you choose a strategy and you think it's going to be awesome, but we're really bearish, the results are not going to be good, guys. Like it says there, warning, past performance does not guarantee future results. It's done lots of trades, look. We've got 5%ers coming in as well, look. We've got a little 0.5%, so the trailing stop loss kicked in, and oh look at this, this is the stop loss, look. Stopping us out at around 1%. A lot of stop losses kicking in. I don't use stop loss in my strategies, guys. I use auto DCA because I don't want to lose anything. I prefer to wait for something to drop a fair bit and then automatically DCA that position and get the profit on the way back up. Lots of stop losses kicking in there. Terrible. Let's see if the wins outperform the losses. I think they will, because the stop losses are like 1% down and the wins are like 3%, 2%, 1% to 5%. That's a lot of trades. 918 trades with a 45% win rate. And look at that. Look at how many losses it's made. 55%. So would you have made money with that? I think you would have done, because the winners were a lot bigger than the losers. But still, far too many stop losses kicked in for my liking there. Alright, let's choose another coin. Let's choose something I know has done quite well. Where's Render? I find Render. RNDR. I can't find it on this list. Can you see it, guys? Maybe Render's not selected in my coins list. Never mind. Alright. Let's try. What else has done well? Alright, let's look at Ethereum. Where's ETH? There. Ethereum's done quite well, hasn't it? Alright, so let's go. I'll pause. Actually, while that's running, I'll tell you about my secret sauce, which gets an average of 1.05% per day, compounded. It's the best strategy I've found in the past 6 years that I've been using Cryptohopper. What I recommend is you start off doing what I do and get that, 1.05% average per day compounded, using the link below this video to sign up for Cryptohopper, and you'll get access to me on Skype and Telegram. You will also get the secret source settings, all the setup videos that I've created for my secret source, and it doesn't cost you any extra, guys. It's and there's also a coupon code right now. Don't know how much longer it's going to last, but it's Jim Cryptohopper, all caps, okay, and you'll get a discount on your first plan. What plan do I recommend? At least the adventurer plan, guys. If you can afford it, go for the hero plan, because it is a lot better. It scans for new positions every 2 minutes, and you have a selection of 75 coins. Right? The adventurer plan, the middle plan, scans for coins every 5 minutes, and you get 50 coins. So basically, fewer opportunities. And then the Explorer plan, which is the cheapest, I've only used it a few times, and it's not as good. It's not as good. You get 15 coins, and it searches for new positions every 10 minutes. So it's basically a lot fewer, a lot less opportunities. So it depends what you can afford, though, guy. You've got to start somewhere. I started on the adventurer plan, and I upgraded eventually to the hero plan. I've dropped back down to adventure from time to time, then gone back to hero. All right, let's have a look at these results. All right, now we've got more wins than losses. Okay, max profit 10.2%, and let's have a look at some of those profits. We've got some losses there for the stop loss. There's some wins there. 0.5%, 1%. Some more losses. Let's scroll up quickly. So this is how you find and backtest a strategy, guys. It's not difficult, but it is a bit time consuming. You could use this for hours testing strategies, because you're only testing one coin at a time, you see. You'd have to work your way down the list of coins that you're using, and you'd have to choose the right time period to backtest, and you have to use the right settings for that strategy. Look at that, so many. I'm gonna use this, it's a bit quicker. You can see there, we've got some 5%ers I saw there. Still too many stop losses for my liking. Well, that is basically it, guys. That's how you find a strategy and backtest it. Now, so okay, again, remember what I said, any strategy can be really good depending on how bullish the market is, and any strategy can be really bad depending on how bearish the market is. There is no perfect strategy that I've found. The best I've found is my secret source settings. Average 1.05% per day. Now, that doesn't mean you get 1.05% every day. Sometimes you get 1%. Sometimes you get 3%. Sometimes you get up to 5%. Rarely, but it happens. Sometimes you'll get 0%. You might get 6 days of 0% and then 1 day of 5%. I'm taking the average, alright, and it comes out to 1.05. So guys, that is how you find and backtest a strategy. You can also forward test, which is basically opening a paper trading account and running that strategy on that account for a set amount of time, whether it be 24 hours or a week or a month. That'd be up to you. How bullish, how bearish is the market when you're testing that, though? So you've got to get a good idea how well a strategy can do when things are bearish, how badly a strategy can do when things are bearish, and obviously, conversely, if the market is bullish, how well is that strategy doing? Does it outperform any other strategy that you know of? Well, the answer is in my secret sauce, guys. For me, the answer is, and that is after 6 years using Cryptohopper. Alright, so if you want free access to my secret source settings and my help on Skype and Telegram, get Cryptohopper using my link below this video. It does not cost you a penny extra. Use the coupon code JimCryptohopper in all caps like that and get a discount on your first plan, guys. Alright, please like, comment, and you know, share this video on social if you think it's useful. Alright, I will see you guys in the secret source. Don't get wrecked, guys. Alright, I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye, guys.